Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I have a fun technique to share with you, and it is how to create this tie-dye background using some stems and some oil pastels. So first I've already stamped and colored this 9 Lives stem set by Unity, which is this cute cat and saying. And I'm grabbing the Brutus Monroe background stamp, which is called the Spilt Paint. Look at how pretty it is in red rubber. It is huge. So I'm grabbing some Wurzelmark embossing ink here and just inking up the entire piece here. And I'm grabbing some watercolor cardstock and just placing it on top of my stamp and just grabbing a piece of scrap paper to just mush everything down to make sure the ink gets everywhere. Then I'm grabbing some clear embossing powder here to just place it all over the embossed areas. Once you're done, just heat it up with your heat tool and you're ready for the next step. Once all the embossing powders have melted and cooled down, it's time to color it up. I'm using some Prima Marketing water-soluble oil pastels here, and to create the tie-dye effect, I am just going around in crazy motions and colors to create this really colorful background. You could do any colors that you want, but here I'm just following the rainbow colors and just going in circular motion. Next, just grab your water brush and just blend everything in. Because these are water soluble, it will blend really easily on your watercolor cardstock. Just use a piece of paper towel or a cloth to wipe off the excess colors, and if you want to add more color, feel free to add it in and just use your brush to blend it all in. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this crazy fun technique today, and thanks for watching. Bye!